Here, can you say hola?
Hola.
Good job! Hola, Dora.
Hello.
Hola, Dora.
Hello.
Say hola.
Hola. Hello.
That's good job.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Can you do sleep? Sleep. That's right. Can you War Eagle. Auburn. Good job. What about Obby? Do you like Obby? Yeah. Obby. Alright, Claire, can you show me the oval? Show me the oval. Good job. Show me the diamond. Diamond. Good girl. Can you get it open? There, right here. Ooh, that's hard. There we go. Diamond. Good girl. Way to go. What about a rectangle? What is that? What is it? You're opening it? But what is it? You found it. What's that? Rectangle. What's that? What was that? Square. Good girl. What's this? Triangle. Good girl. What's this? Star. Where's the circle? Where's the circle? Good girl. Good job, circle. I'm proud of you. I think that's all of them. Good girl. Do you see any eggs on there? Where are the eggs? Good girl. Where is the squirrel? Good girl. You found the squirrel. Good girl. Squirrel. I'm proud of you.
Look.